What's up, guys? Chief Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This one I'm pretty excited about. I have been looking forward to this package for about a month now. It's a golden ticket mystery box from Snkrflea. Snkrflea is a store in New York. They've been doing these mystery boxes where you could potentially win something really cool. For this box, it was the Off-White Jordan 1 Chicago is the main gold ticket, but then you can get some Sean Witherspoons, Off-White stuff, Supreme stuff. So there's a lot of stuff you can get in this. There's nothing guaranteed other than you get 2 shirts. So you can get Antisocial Social Club shirts, Travis Scott, some Supreme or Bape. You should get 2 shirts. I bought 2 mystery boxes, so I should get 4 shirts. So really, I'm just hoping I get some sort of a golden ticket and then can increase the value of this box, because you should be able to make your money back. Each shirt is usually around $70. I think that the box is $130 to begin with, so you should make like $5-10 if you do it right, and if not, you could hopefully get something worth like $4,000, $5,000. The next month is a Dior mystery box, and I did buy one of those. I bought 2 this month and only bought 1 next month because, as you guys saw in my last video, I did a house tour, just bought a house, so I haven't been doing a ton of crazy mystery boxes. But this one, there's a potential to get something crazy. So that's why I went for it, and I really want to open this up, so we're just going to do that right now. So like I said, there should be 4 shirts in here and hopefully a golden ticket or some other item. I know they throw in some stuff along with your order, and then if you get a golden ticket, you can message them and then they will send you your item that you get. You just have to have proof that you want it. So hopefully I have something. Untied Hawaii, if you guys ever watch him, he got one without using like his name or anything. He did get a Supreme shirt or something like that, something Supreme in his mystery box, and hopefully I get something cool. Hopefully I get some shoes. But I bought 2 this time, and then next month there are Dior Jordan 1s coming out, and I only bought 1 for that. So hopefully I get lucky this time. I would like to get lucky next time, but chances that happen I feel are kind of low. So let's just get right and open it, because I'm really excited for this box, and hopefully there's more than just 4 shirts in here. I'm not going to peek too much because I want to be surprised along with you guys. But the first one is a Antisocial Social Club. I'm not going to take anything out because I probably will sell some of these, especially this one. It's the Playboy Antisocial Social Club. I'll probably have a picture of it on the screen somewhere and what the back looks like. Just a black t-shirt in my size because that's how I ordered everything, but it's got the Playboy logo right over the Antisocial Social Club logo. I don't know the value on this. I imagine it's probably like $70 because that's usually what I see them going for in Grailed. But obviously not a terrible pickup because it should be fine to resell in the end. And then we actually got the exact same shirt, so that's a little disappointing. I know when I watched it, they tried to put different items in there, and since I ordered 2, they probably just put the same one. Hopefully it changes up in the next 2 shirts that I don't get the same one, but definitely selling at least one of those, probably both of them, because I don't really want either one of them. So the next one is another Antisocial Social Club shirt. It's a teal shirt. It says 911 teal tee. It looks like it has turbo on it. Don't know what it says on the back. I'll look them up, put up the prices on the screen while I go through with them. But it's teal shirt. It looks like it's a collab with Neighborhood, so this might be some decent value. But hopefully some of these are pretty decent. There's only 1 more shirt left, so hopefully there's a golden ticket. If not, a little disappointing, but also you're not guaranteed a golden ticket. But 3 shirts so far. Don't know if I'm keeping any of them, but they should all bring at least like the value back, which is really nice, especially since you're not really losing money with this mystery box. But last one, I don't. All right, so it looks like I didn't get lucky this time. Didn't get a golden ticket, which is kind of upsetting. Would have definitely liked a golden ticket, but you're obviously not going to win every time. Hopefully next month I do hit on the Dior Jordan 1s. Don't really know what this one is. It's just a pink one, another Antisocial Social Club. So you could have gotten Travis Scott and Bape and Supreme stuff, but I got all ASSC, which I think same thing. So 3 different shirts. I still got the 2 the same. So not the craziest, but like I said, the value is probably up on the screen, and I should make my money back. Probably sell everything on Grailed just because that's where I would usually sell everything. But I may keep this pink one depending on what it is, because I do usually wear some pink. Don't know how I feel about this one, the teal one, but it might actually work with the Jordan 5s that I have. It's a little different shade of teal, I guess. But then these 2, the 2 Playboy ones, I'm definitely probably sell it just because I don't feel like wearing these ones. But not terrible. I mean, 4 shirts. You should make your money back. It's not awful, but hopefully next time I'm going to keep ordering because they seem to do like really good business, and they sell really fast. So I am trying to get one like every month. The next one I think in September is going to be another Dior one. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll probably try to link it in the description, just their website and stuff. But like I said, should make my money back, hopefully make a little bit of profit on it. But you really buy it more for the chance of getting something crazy. But this month didn't get it. Hopefully next month I hit on the Dior Jordan 1. So that would be sick. But we're not looking anything crazy for it. I definitely didn't. I'm definitely not too much of a disappointment. I do like doing the mystery boxes, so you win some, you lose some, but I think this is still even a win because hopefully I should be making some profit. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Another one coming next month because that's how it's going to go. I'll probably just keep doing these because they're pretty easy. They're not very expensive, only like $130. So as long as I remember, I'm going to pick them up every month. But yeah, so I guess comment down below, I guess, what you think of this and the idea of the selling mystery boxes. They're also not doing it for profit. I forgot to say that a little earlier. He basically is breaking even on every single mystery box. So that's really cool. But tell me what you guys think of the mystery boxes and if I should keep picking up some more. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.